What's good with y'all niggas? We back with another video and shit. We're halfway in the 40 laws of power analysis, law number 24. Let's get straight into it, you know what I'm saying? No fucking intro. Law number 24. This is gonna be like a part two, gonna be a part two to this, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'll upload it later, but right now it's about being the perfect quarter, you know what I'm saying? So what's a quarter? Yeah, to be honest, I don't even know what a quarter is. Or if I'm even pronouncing it right, courtier. I don't know. Yeah, but like in this case, it's like it's basically being the one that actually pushes the strings behind the scenes, while your master or superior thinks that they have all power. Okay, like it's like for example, um, it's like law number 22 where I talked about 22, if I'm not sure. Law number 23, yeah, law number 23. Where I was talking about like partnering with the people that actually control the operations behind the scenes. But like I said, power is fluid. You can easily take power from someone, and you can easily lose power from someone. So you wanna be the perfect. You wanna be that guy that controls the things behind the scenes, whereby like you have influence, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, currently my notes are currently trash. I ain't gonna lie, they kind of trash. The summer year for this one is kind of bad. So yeah, like law number 24 is just being the perfect quarter. In the next part two of the video, I'll be talking about how to be this perfect quarter. And yeah, you just need to be a perfect quarter, and to do this in like in a summed up way. You need to follow if you follow some of these rules perfectly, and one of them is do not do extra things that you weren't asked for, and a few more. So, like for example, if someone says bring me a glass of water, don't bring a whole fucking tray. Just do what you were asked to do. Don't work too hard. If you work too hard, you look like you are a kiss ass. And then there are other people who won't like you. Won't They will be enemies. They'll become resentful of you because you're trying to be a kiss ass. You see what I'm saying? And you should apply law number one here, because you shouldn't try and outshine the master, because now your superior will look like, oh, he thinks he's better than me, and down his ego. In order to protect it and mend it, he's gonna have to do some shit to you. You know what I'm saying? Right, let's get that out the way. And yeah, let's hit the way of part one of this video. Uh, yeah, you just gotta like next part, of course, I'm gonna be talking about how to be this, and of course, it'll be a much more detailed type of thing. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe. Holla back at your boy, and no stuff fucking grinding. Shit.